Dor Kapatisi TV. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Menteri Bakmi Ikatnat Puli Putih ke Sarkar Jila Rakam Samla ulapan pau ke jing kemen bau Samla M Langstang ubala pendap ya ke kerdan kelas 12 na North Liberty High Secondary School Juai West Gentle Hills District ulapas ya ke JEE exams arajar absan bat mentau la yo peteng ya ke jing puli B.Tech ha IIT Madras. House number ladam Samla Jonathan Sangma natura ulapas ya ke eksamen JEE bat yo peteng ya ke jing puli ha IIT Bombay. Ha ke jing keran bagi patai kubor urakam uloong bak sorkar ke skong sarong ya ke jing lek bah jong ki kana skol ke jela ha ki jing puli bat ya ke jing tristom ru jong ki kimi ki pa bat kino hikai.
We feel proud to announce that one of our students, maybe more, but as information received, one our youngs, I mean students from North Liberty High Secondary School, Juai, Mr. Madras Langstang at class 12, completed Mr. of this batch, has qualified for prestigious JEE Advanced Exam 2025, and he got admission for B.Tech courses in IIT Madras. So, and also if we look back into last year, Mr. Jonathan Samla from Pule, he also cracked in JEE with the highest rank in the country. He got admission in IIT Bombay. So this gave us the impressive, inspiring message to every one of us as a government. We feel proud that our children are doing better. Maybe these are all collective efforts from the parents, from the community, from the schools, from the teachers, and from the government too. And I've been told by the teachers that the decision of the state government to adopt NCERT textbook, it's really seeing the result. So many has been qualified for this national level exam with NEET, with the JEE. So this is what we are happy today, that at least our students are doing excellently better in the various national level exam and so on. Yeah. We have a small training for our civil service aspirant. Yeah, we need more. So this is not enough. Of course, we need more. Yes, definitely. In the future, yes, definitely government is working out to have more center which will be specifically training our young people. Yeah.
Wat penleno yakni kakabu ki sopti etho ki babha bat shongdor nadu sao po hajar hadu hnriu po hajar tingka menta phila banyo hagador lai po hajar tingka ya ki sopti etho ba shongdor hinyo po hajar chaneng phinyo tang san po hajar tingka tang kata ka wei ki sopti ka de ka wei ki design tang na ka benta jongphi wan jet nok loi na molai moro bat na mot pran pho no menta hau khandai sao lai hnriu san pra hinyo lai pra